Unwind the phrase, crank away. English Idioms Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to unpack. Crank away. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or maybe in a conversation and wondered what it really means. Well, that's exactly what we're about to dive into. So, if you're ready to crank up your English skills, let's get started. Crank away is an idiom that paints a vivid picture if you think about it in a literal sense. A crank is a tool or device that you turn around in circles, like when starting an old-fashioned car or using a jack in the box. When someone says they're cranking away, they mean they're busy working on a task with continuous effort. Let's break it down with some examples. Imagine you have a big project at work, and your colleague says, "I'll be cranking away at this report all day." They mean they'll be focused and hard at work. Or, when someone is continuously turning the handle of a manual ice cream maker, they are literally cranking away to make the ice cream. When using crank away, context is key. It's a phrase that suggests activity and diligence. You'll often find it used in professional or casual settings, emphasizing the action and effort involved. Here are a couple of contexts where crank away fits perfectly. In the workplace, the whole team is cranking away to meet the deadline. At the gym, he's been cranking away on the rowing machine for an hour. It can also be used to encourage someone to keep going or to start working hard on something. You've got this. Just crank away until you've finished. Even though crank away is not a formal phrase, it's versatile. But here's what you should remember. Do use it to describe ongoing, strenuous effort or work. Do not use it for a quick or easy task. Do use it to show admiration for someone's hard work. Do not use it when formal language is required. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, crank away. We hope you're walking away with a new idiom in your linguistic toolkit and feel confident using it in your next conversation. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to crank away at learning more exciting English phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.